Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas. Unfortunately, we need more and more patience here. This is, by the way, the futures chart. So we're going to take a look again at the price development. I mean, it's good to see a little bit of green today, a little bit of a friendly start to the week. Here on the futures chart, 4% up, which is good. And at the moment in line with the wave count here. So there is at the moment no need to change it. However, we are approaching resistance now. So if we take a look at the chart here, this is the development basically since this low that was made in February. I still count that primarily as a third wave. Currently looking at this ABC structure here, A wave, A wave to the upside, which peaked here in March, a B wave to the downside, and we could have started already the C wave to the upside in this fourth wave. I mean, this is not a given, it's not guaranteed, but as long as we are holding that $2 level that we talked about or have been talking about for weeks now, which is the 78.6 retracement of that move to the upside here. If I have to put the wave one here though, as long as that's holding, we can carefully assume a low has been made. But let's be honest, we've been moving sideways really for nearly 2 months now, and there's nothing stopping from the market carrying on with sideways action for another, 2, 3, 4 weeks. So that's at the moment the direction. We obviously have held support, so that supports the idea that we could rally now in the C wave, but really what we need to see is a break above first, the swing high at 238. And that's exactly where we are now, at this resistance point, which is why I highlighted we are now in resistance. We only have a 3-wave move up off the lows, and it would really need to give us a 5-wave move. And while doing that, to break above that 238 level, even better would be a break above the B wave high here at 253, which we haven't done yet. So at the moment we're holding support, which is good. But again, that could just carry on in a range, okay? Again, we have resistance here at 238, 239, and then at 253. These levels need to be broken, while that $2 level down there needs to hold. The last swing low, which is sort of the micro support level, is at 215. So ideally, this one is holding as well, and then we are moving in the range currently, just approaching those resistance levels here. And we need to hold support. If we break below 215 now, I think it is also very likely that we will at least retest $2.02 and maybe even break it. But for now, we're pushing higher. Very short-term trend is up. And let's see if the bulls are strong enough. If this indeed is a 1-2 setup, then the third wave of the C wave should reach at least, and that's a very, very conservative target, which should reach at least $2.61, but possibly higher. Again, nothing stopping it from carrying on with the sideways action, because at the moment it's only a 3-wave move up. And while I can count this here as a wave 1 up, an A wave down, an overshooting B wave, and a C wave down, it is also possible to count this as a 3-wave move up. Then we had our C wave down, and another 3-wave move up, and therefore we just need to be on the side of caution here. It's not crystal clear. It needs a bit of patience, and actually a lot of patience. We're holding support, but below $2.02, I think we're heading down directly. The good thing, or the positive side of Elliott wave is certainly, or one of the many advantages it offers, is that it tells us clearly when we need to overthink and rethink a current scenario. And here it is that we will be given a warning below 215, and below $2.02 we have to adjust our perspective. And if we break below $2.02, I would say we are already in the 5th wave. Something I would normally only expect after we create that C wave to the upside to finish the 4th wave, to give us another low then. But if we break below $2.02 directly, it will go there. It will go there straight away. And finish off this overall bear market. And this market has a lot of potential. It indeed has a lot of potential, but all it needs to do now is just to follow through to the upside eventually. But ideally, I still expect another low, either directly or after a C wave up and then down. And that's Natgas. There is not much more to add here to the futures chart. So what we can do though, to finish it off, maybe take a look at the indicators. Here you can see we're now getting into the overbought range on the 4-hour RSI. So hitting resistance while being overbought could come ahead of a rejection. So just be aware of that. And on the daily chart, you can see that we're now getting carefully into the territory of an uptrend above 50. Need to hold that now though. We need to hold it. And also, as you can see here, we had a spike here, the same level in March, here again and here again. So we are now approaching resistance on the RSI as well. So it's really a bit like a make or break point here on the futures chart. Looking at the spot chart, we are already a little bit further advanced, 5.2% up today. Here it is the 192 level that needs to hold. Otherwise, I think we have to focus on new lows. We have micro support at $2.07 and resistance is basically here at 2.34. We are not there yet, but we are nearly there. There is not much more to go, and it could very well be that it's trying to push above it, but it needs to take that out. 2.34, we need a sustained break above to reach the third wave target. What would be the third wave target? So if it works out and we break above resistance, we will have a target of 253 at least for the third wave. But all the comments I made when looking at the futures chart basically are relevant here as well for spot. So just be on the side of caution. We're now approaching resistance, and also here looking at the indicator on the 4-hour chart, we're now overbought. So unless it can really push above 234, we have to expect a bit of a rejection. But let's see if we can push above that level. I think it's go time, and it could take it quite quickly to that third wave target I highlighted. Okay, that's my update about Natgas. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.